Welcome to this exclusive, unparalleled investment opportunity, shared only with a few select investors. From everyone here at Terra Equity Group, we want to thank you for your time and interest in partnering with us. To skip ahead of the line at any point for a personal overview, simply connect with our team using the information at the end of this video. Before we begin, it is important to note that the information being shared here involves investment opportunities which are regulated by and in compliance with certain SEC rules and guidelines. The information that we are sharing is based on a number of assumptions and hypothetical scenarios, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Like any investment, there are risks involved, and it is important that you are aware of those risks. In this video, we review Terra Equity Group's multi-stage investment lifecycle. Our investments don't start with the opportunities themselves, rather the relationships we've built over the life of Terra Equity Group and its managing team. These broker relationships from all over the country result in called-in and emailed-in off-market opportunities 1 to 18 months or more ahead of the listing. From here, we focus on emerging markets. Before we have a property under contract, our team scrutinizes the opportunity, running it through our own due diligence processes, highlighting the important, high-impact numbers, and forming the property's unique execution strategy. If the property passes this stage, we will then build a detailed business plan that justifies the financial investment and creates the ROI opportunity. Once Terra Equity Group signs the contract, we then formalize it in an actual syndication offer. We now have a qualified business plan and a PPM that we can give to our investors so they can see every aspect of the opportunity and execution strategy that will get us to the preferred returns and equity at the end of the day. This means that you're actually a partner of ours when we close the opportunity and we buy the property together. We're doing this together. During the takeover of the property, we focus immediately on any occupancy issues and/or deferred maintenance that we need to execute. The first couple of months are used to stabilize the property, and once stabilized, we begin our disbursements of preferred returns. This stage is where our investors see the majority of the tax benefits come in, as we are able to take advantage of preferred maintenance and depreciation. Then cash disbursements follow, and additional non-imperative improvements to the property begin, which start elevating the value of the property. After a 3 to 5 year hold period, we exit the investment and you get your initial and premium back from that sale, the waterfall payment. It is important to highlight that with our collective 50+ years of experience, our passionate team, and our network of legacy relationships we've built over the decades, investment trust in Terra Equity Group is based on access and results. With trusted contacts across the country working to connect us with investment opportunities, our team will see referrals pour in from financiers, legal contacts, and other peripheral market roles that are not traditionally leveraged. Because of this network, tuned research at the block level by our team, and the resulting local intelligence we can deploy when evaluating investment opportunities, we ultimately know the property holders, the brokers, and the comps throughout any emerging market. In fact, with every zip code in these emerging markets, there are about 5 to 20 micro neighborhoods that help drive value in the area. With this in mind, one of the first things we do when putting in an offer on a property is visit the property personally, no matter where it is, whether it's Texas or Tennessee. We talk to the owners, to the tenants, to the property managers, the neighbors, and the business owners in the area. We seek to find out everything that's good, bad, and ugly about a given opportunity. Our team will walk the comps, we will drive the neighborhoods, and form a deep understanding of what factors in the area drive the investment from a short, medium, and long-term perspective. Ultimately, a combination of 40+ localized indicators factor into our underwriting process, starting with advanced data analytics that get to the micro-neighborhood analysis level and layering in insights that add context and perspective we can paint a holistic picture of what we think about an asset's acquisition. So in addition to the data and the machine learning and algorithms we have on hand, we also believe in that human connection to our investments. These processes fuel the sophisticated underwriting process that we deploy when looking at the variables used to build each business plan. Once we've qualified a property, the next step is to evaluate what the value creation looks like for the property. Aside from the immediate deferred maintenance activities, we review the asset on a daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, thinking about it tactically and to make sure that we're focused on executing the business plan and growing the investment. Our business plans are optimized to the opportunity at hand and can be 3, 5, or even 6 years out to completion. So it takes a strategic approach and rigorous daily discipline to deliver long-term results for our investors. When looking at value creation, we look at increasing occupancy. To do this, we make sure the tenant's needs are cared for and explore what can be done to differentiate the property from others, what can be done to add value to tenants and the property itself. Whether that's as simple as impact windows, covered parking, or a fresh coat of paint. We look at improvements that may not be necessary for day-to-day operations, but are, in the long run, something that a tenant would appreciate, adding value to the community. This concludes our brief overview of this aspect of the investment and partnership opportunity with Terra Equity Group. However, we encourage you to continue to watch the other videos that our team has created in this series, as they each outline key strategies and approaches we employ to help assure your capital growth. If you would like to reach out to our team, simply call us at 954-987-6879 or email us at info@terraequitygroup.com. You can also visit our website at any time by heading to www.terraequitygroup.com. Again, our team at Terra Equity Group would like to thank you for your time, and we look forward to discussing this opportunity with you in more detail.